In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Suno app. So if you want to get the latest features that comes with this app, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and update your app. By updating your app, you'll also be able to fix any issues or any errors that might be associated with your Suno app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to update your app, you need to go ahead and look for your app through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and search for Play Store, and here's Play Store. Now from Play Store, go ahead and just search for your app by typing in the name. So I'll go on and search, and here we go. Our Suno app is here. So if you tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Suno AI Music and Songs app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Suno AI Music app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it to start using the latest version of Suno app. So that's how you can update your Suno app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.